Hello, welcome back to Defense Info, a one step solution for all your defense need. So, friends, today I bring you the news regarding the FCAT 01 2021 from the 2nd Air Force Selection Board, Mysore. The batch number is MFCAT M518, and the information is regarding the PPDT, OIR, all TAT images, SRT, VAT, IO question, GD, and lecturate. And the Air Force B interview was held on the 14th of June to 18th of June 2021. And friends, the information is that the reported were 109 on that specific date at 2 AFSB Mysore, and the OIR level was easy to moderate. DIPR booklet number was 53 and 54, and this booklets include 50 questions and 30 minutes were allotted for each. And friends, this booklet includes a question of dice problem, dictionary problem, refiguring the sentences and finding the last letter, and also this include to estimate to guess the numbers which will come in the next in the series, and as well as problem related to figure. Some question were also related to the figure which is based on category A, and you have to find the option which belongs to the family of A. Now, friends, the PPT image which was shown over there was one male character with stethoscope, two other male character in indoor environment, and specifically for the freshers and repeaters, mostly a group of 10 were made, and the screening was 49, and which includes 26 fresher plus screen out and 23 repeaters in the batch. So friends, this is the batch photograph of that specific day of the batch number MFCAT M518. You can see 49 got screen in, and now talking about the thematic perception test. So the first picture which was shown was person droning in water, three people on river bank. Second was two-person with umbrella going out in heavy rainfall. Third was the two people doing mountain climbing, and the fourth one person lying unconscious on ground. Other person palm is shown coveted wet, maybe with blood or grease. And the fifth one was flowing river with the people on boat, person on overhead bridge, and family and other people on river bank. And the sixth was person opening gate in front of a front yard, maybe going out. So friends, the next tat number 7 to 12 was seventh picture, many people with play card and poster like election campaign or protest. The eighth one was two people, one in water swimming or droning, one with rope. And ninth one was road accident at a junction between a car and a Tonga cart. Tonga driver collapsed on road along with horse, blood on road and surrounded by people. The 10th one was 4 to 5 people sitting under tree, other person passing by them and speaking with them. The 11th one was table with lamp and book, boy studying. And 12th one, as you know, it's a blank picture where you have to write a story of your own. Now, friend, talking about the word association test. So the first picture, was knowledge. So you can write like knowledge dispels fear. There was rain, light, obey, embrace, report, ready, effort, happiness, and thought. So these were 10 out of 60 VAT which was shown over there. Now SRT is concerned. The first SRT, your sister wedding day is near and your father can't attend it due to assignment duty on same day. You will. Your sister wedding day is approaching and relative refuse to lend money for the same. You will. You report for interview and realize that you forgot the to bring documents. You will dash. So was one of the three. These were 3 out of 60s SRT which was shown over there. Now, talking about the interview questions, friend. So first question was, tell me about yourself. where you have to describe about yourself, the quality which you have, and as well as the things which is not mentioned in the PIQ, and you can state over there. Now, education background, marks in class 10th as well as 10 plus 2. Friend's name, quality you like, dislike, and why. Favorite subject and favorite teacher. There was some question which was asked related to like in case if you have scored low marks, though they will be asking why you have scored low, what was the reason behind your scoring low. So you have to justify your answer there. Family background, which include parents and grandparents, etc., and how you help your sibling as well. Job profile, why low income job, how you manage your expenses. Why you wanted to join the defense forces and specifically the Indian Air Force. What are you doing to maintain physical fitness. Explain turbofan, turboprop and jet engines, right? And 5 minutes were provided where you have to we have to speak 1 minute for each. About the first was Air Force, second was Army, third was Navy, fourth was national topic, and fifth was international topic. So 5 minutes were provided, 1 minute for each topic. Now, group discussion is concerned. The first topic was how e-governance website of government can be helpful to citizen of India in transparency. Second was employment opportunity. Third was accountability. The GD number 2 was recovery rate is increasing in India in this second wave of COVID impact. What are the reasons? So it's a herd immunity or geography or climatic condition or social distancing and wearing mask. Now the lectured topic is concerned the atomic energy, one world, one currency, gender equality, privatization in public sector unit, that is PSU, privatization in Indian railways, paramilitary forces, Indian economy, Indian judiciary system, and Indian railways. Now talking about the recommendation, guys. So in this batch, 6 got recommended, and there was one fresher who got recommended, and 5 repeaters got recommended in this batch. So friends, thank you very much for watching this video, and please, if you have any information regarding the SSB, NSB or the AFSB, you can send us on the our email ID which is given in the description box. So friends, from you we are getting the information, and please help us so that we can also help others in the for preparing for the defense examination and to aware the defense aspirants. Now please share this video among your friends and fellow defense aspirant, and please do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon below. So till then, meet you very soon with a new video.